Okay, so did you hear what happened to me now? They are basically throwing us, people like us, out of the train who are going to Rouge Hill. They are throwing us out in a storm. They are doing.
Off the doors. They can through the doors.
They just threw us off the train.
They can through the doors. Doors not closed. They can through.
So they just threw me off the train. Oh my God! I swear to God, I am meant to have particular experiences. I have to wait for the next train. They make me sit down and wait. I'm here at Danforth Station. So they kicked us off and made the train and express to Pickering. Why? Because they're fucking on now because they're a bit behind time. So this is when, yeah, I get it, not driving. Even though I imagine if you're driving, you'll probably be on some highway dealing with a whole other stuff, bunch of stuff. So yeah, there's my train. I was sitting on, waiting, thinking, oh. So the story is, we got here, they got stuck. They were making announcements that basically we have to wait here because there was some vehicle blocking the tracks, which wasn't clear to me whether it was another train that was stuck and broke down and they had to remove, or a vehicle crossing one of the tracks or something like that. And so we're there waiting, not sure when we were going to be able to move. They said the door open if we want to get off, and we can find our way out in other ways. God, this reminds me back in the day when we used to have blizzards. We're literally in a blizzard. Back in the day, blizzard. Oh, I don't know where I'm going to go. This is the way into the station. Oh, I guess it must be. Oh, some kind of little ramp down to some entryway somewhere. So yeah. So anyway, so finish my story. So then we're sitting there. So finally they say, okay, track's cleared. The other train has moved on. So we should be leaving shortly. Then they make an announcement. This is now an express train to Pickering. So anybody come off between that have to come off. And of course I'm going to Rouge Hill, which is the station just before Pickering. So here I am, folks, at Danforth, stuck, waiting. So they said get ready for the next train. So that's what I'm doing. All right, so let me go inside. I'm all giving you all the flavor of what life is like. And of course, I've never had that happen ever on a train, ever. But when does it happen? On a night when there is, or a day when there is a storm. Listen.
Further updates will follow shortly.
Listen. What can you do? They can't do. I mean, I get it, right? It's just life. It's like when people are railing at the government around COVID-19. It's like, yeah, you go up, they're gonna take your job and try and manage the situation. So like this, I get it. It's fucked, but life is fucked. What am I gonna do? Shit happens.